Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. My dear students, in this video we are going to see the question and answer of the point 1, and that is for the students of class 8, and that is taken from Honeydew English textbook. And you know what is the point we had dealt in the previous video? The ant and the cricket, okay, and that was adopted from the Aesop fables, okay. My dear students, there we also saw what is the meaning of fables. Okay, what is the meaning of fable also we have seen here. Okay, you can see, look at here. What is the meaning of fable? Fable is a story. Yes or no? Fable is a story, and that is character is given of animals. Okay, character of animals are given there, and that conveys us moral. So that is a fable. And here in this lesson we saw that the character of a ant and the cricket is there. Okay, here the character of a cricket is very lazy. It does not preserve anything during the summer for the winter, okay, for the winter. And when the winter season comes, he has nothing to eat, he has no shelter to stay, so he is finding much difficulty, okay. So what he does, you know, he goes to the ant and asking for some help, okay, asking for some help. And what are the help he wanted to get from the ant? He wanted to get some food, and he wanted to get a shelter to stay during the winter. But the ant gave him or no? Do you know that the ant did not give him anything. Rather, they asked him, "What do you do during the summer season?" Then the cricket is saying, "No, I did not do anything. I just went on singing, and I did not preserve anything." Then the ant also replies, "You must dance now." Okay, so summer season you sang, now you dance and spend the time. And they did not give him, and they sent him away from their house. Yes or no? So my dear students, we have seen this point. So in this video we are going to see the question and answer related to this point. Here let us see question answer here, working with the point. First question you see. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" When does he says it and why? So in the point we saw that cricket is saying, "Oh, what will become of me? अभी मेरा क्या होगा?" तो यही शब्द जो क्रिकेट ने बोला था, तो वो कब बोला था और क्यों बोला था? Okay, do you remember why he said? Because he saw all over the ground the snow was covered, the winter season. Okay, and he had nothing, every leaves and every thing was covered with the snow, okay, and it was wet everywhere. And when he goes to his cupboard, then he is finding nothing else to eat. Then that time only he is thinking, "Oh, what will become of me now? I cannot go outside and cannot get food, and I have no food in my cupboard or in my storehouse. I did not store anything, okay, and I have nothing to eat. So what will happen of me? What will become of me? What will happen to me?" He says like that. Yes or no? Then question number 2. Find in the point the lines what means the same as neither a borrower nor a lender be. Now in the point it says we should not be a borrower. We should not be taking something from somebody else, and we should not be giving somebody else something else. Okay, किसी से कुछ लेना नहीं चाहिए, किसी को कुछ देना नहीं चाहिए. This kind of statement is there in the Shakespeare. Okay, Shakespeare has stated this one in one of his book. Okay, so that same meaning is there in our poem. One statement is given there. That means neither a borrower nor a lender be. Okay, can you find out that one, that statement? Can you find out that sentence? Let us try to find it out. Okay, now if you see in your textbook this poem, okay, sorry, this line, which is that, what is that line? Here you can see. Where? Here you see. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. This is the line which means neither a borrower nor a lender be. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Okay, so that is what the statement was given by the ants to the cricket. Then, what is your opinion of the ants' principles? Okay, now what was the principle of ant? What was the law of the ant? Okay, we ants never borrow and we ants never lend. That is the principle of the ant. So what is your opinion on the principle of ants? Okay, अभी ये ants का जो principle था, जो law था, जो कानून था, उसके ऊपर आपका क्या कहना है? What do you think? Was it good? I think the principle of the aunt is good, okay, and it gives us lesson and it helps us to prepare for the future, okay, prepare for the winter days, okay. Then question number 3, the aunt tells the cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? If so, why? Now, when the cricket goes to the aunt and asking some help, and aunt is asking him, what did you do during the summer season and you did not preserve anything? Then he says, I sang during the summer season and I did not preserve anything. Then the aunt says, then you dance away the winter season. So in the summer season you are singing. So winter season what you will do? You sing. Okay, like that he says. So this statement is appropriate here. क्या ये सही है या फिर ये से बोलना सही है इस सेंटेंस में या फिर ये पोएम में? अगर आपको सही लगता है तो क्यों? Okay, I think it is true and it is appropriate in this point because it also gives us the lesson to everyone to be prepared, okay, for the coming days or prepare for the future or winter season. Okay, then question number 4. Which lines in the poem express the poet's comment? Read them aloud. Now, which line in the poem expresses the poet's comment? यहाँ पे जो poet है उसका सोच को कौन सा लाइन में हमको बोला गया है? ये पोएम में, ओके, कौन सा लाइन को हमें बोला गया है कि हमको कौन सा लाइन पढ़ने के बाद हमको लगता है कि ये पोएट हमको ये बोलना चाहता है या फिर पोएट का वर्ड कहाँ पे है? क्योंकि ये कहाँ से लिया गया है? आसफ फेबल से लिया गया है। ये जो है ये स्टोरी से उसको ऑलरेडी लिया गया है। तो यहाँ पे पोएट कौन सा लाइन में पोएट बोल रहा है बोला गया है। ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज द लाइन वेयर द पोएट इज सेइंग, और यहाँ पे लाइन जो है वो पोएट बोल रहा है। ओके, फॉग कॉल दिस ए फेबल। ओके, फॉग मतलब पीपल, कॉल दिस वन ए फेबल, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक स्टोरी बोलते हैं। एंड आई विल वारंट इट ट्रू, और मैं इसको क्या जस्टिफाई करूंगा और इसको मैं सही मानूंगा। कौन बोलते हैं? पोएट। ओके, सो लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज? Write the comment on your own words. Okay, write the comment in your own words. Now, what is your comment? What comment you want to give, or what is the comment that the writer has given here, the poet has given here? What you call upon that comment? Okay, आपको क्या लगता है? आपका खुद का comment क्या है इस लेसन के बारे में और इस poem के बारे में? आपका खुद का comment क्या है? आप क्या बोलोगे इस poem के बारे में? What do you want to say? Okay. Then another one, if you know a fable in your own language, narrate it to your classmates. And if you know any fable, okay, अगर आपको कोई भी fable पता होगा, कोई भी स्टोरी पता होगा, तो उसको क्या करना है? अपने फ्रेंड्स को अपने भाषा में उसको बताना है। Okay, is it okay? Have you understood these questions? Okay, I know everybody has understood that questions. And my dear students, you yourself can write the answer. Okay, therefore first of all I told you and I made you understand the question. आपको मैं समझाने के लिए कोशिश किया क्वेश्चन को, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद भी लिख सकते थे। ओके, लेकिन फिर भी देखते हैं यहाँ पे the answers I have prepared for you and we'll see this answer. So question number 1, what is that? The cricket says, oh, what will become of me? Where does he says it? Okay, the cricket speaks those words where in his house he finds no food to eat in winter. Then question number 2, find in the poem the lines that means the same as neither a borrower nor a lender be. That is spoken by Shakespeare. What is that? The line, okay, the line is, but we aunts never borrow, we aunts never lend. Okay. Then second part, question number 2 का second क्या है? What is your opinion of the aunt's principle? What is your opinion of the aunt's principle? What do you say about the principle of the aunts? Okay, what do you say? And what is the principle? But we aunts never borrow, we aunts never lend. That is their principle. So what do you comment on the principle of the aunts? The aunt's principle is not bad. Okay, aunt principle is not bad. It teaches a lesson to everybody to plan for the rainy day. And this lesson or this principle teaches everyone every one of us, okay, we all are two-leg cricket as it is mentioned in the poem. Okay, so every one of us get a lesson to prepare for the rainy days. Okay, then question number 3 here, let us see. The ant tell the cricket to dance the winter away. Do you think the word dance is appropriate here? If so, why? Answer is here. The word dance here means merry making and wasting time. यहाँ पे जो word dance दिया गया है वो क्या है कि merry making, okay, merry making and wasting time. It is appropriate here. और ये जो word इस्तेमाल किया गया है dance ये poem में वो appropriate है, वो सही है यहाँ. Okay. The irresponsible cricket does not preserve any sympathy. अब ये जो irresponsible cricket, irresponsible animal does not preserve any sympathy. Okay, sympathy मतलब हम उसके ऊपर दया दिखा नहीं सकते क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या किया, वक्त बर्बाद किया है, वेस्ट किया है, कुछ भी काम नहीं किया. जब उसको प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए, प्लान होना चाहिए, उस टाइम में उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं किया और जब उसको मुसीबत आया है तब वो दूसरों के पास जाकर वो मदद मांग रहा है. Okay, so it is cricket does not preserve any sympathy. Okay, then question number 4. Which line in the poem express the poet comment? Read them aloud. Now, कौन सा लाइन है जो कि पोएट का कमेंट को यहाँ पे बोला गया है, फिर पॉइंट के बाद पोएट क्या बोल रहा है ये लेसन के बारे में या फिर ये पॉइंट के बारे में, ये फेबल के बारे में. कौन सा लाइन में हमने देखा ऑलरेडी. The poet's comment is expressed in the last 2 lines. Okay, लास्ट के 2 लाइन्स जो है वहां पे ये पोएट का कमेंट को लिखा गया है. ओके, फर्स्ट लाइन कौन सा है? Fox calls this a fable, I warrant it true. That is the first line. And the second line, what you do? You see the last line of the poem and write down the answer here after this line. Is it okay? You can do it. You have to take from the poem. Okay, this is what you have to do. That is the only one line I have written for you. Then let us see question number 2. Okay, question number 4 का second part. Write the comment in your own words. So that comment that poet wanted to give, जो comment poet ने दिया है वही comment को हमको क्या करना है, अपने हिसाब से लिखना है, अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग में लिखना है. Okay. People say that this story of the cricket and the ant is imaginary or a fable with a moral. That is what people say. That is our comment we are giving. Okay, अपना खुद का comment हम दे रहे हैं. But I think that the story is true and educative. But I think that मुझे लगता है कि ये जो story जो है ये सिर्फ fable नहीं है, पर ये story जो है educative है, जो कि हमको एक lesson देता है, हमको एक शिक्षा देता है. Some people live only in the present, and some of the people are there, they live in the present. Okay, live in the present. How they live in the present? Whatever they get, they don't think of the future and don't preserve anything. Okay, जो भी वो कमाएंगे, जितना भी पैसे कमाएंगे, वो उसी दिन वो क्या करेंगे, स्पेंड कर देंगे, उसको उड़ा देंगे, तो उसको खर्च कर देते, पर कल के लिए सोचते ही नहीं है. Okay, they spend what they earn and make merry. But they regret this habit later on. और वो क्या करते हैं, प्रेजेंट के टाइम में क्या करते हैं, वही जितना भी अर्न करेंगे, जितना भी कमाएंगे उसको स्पेंड कर देंगे. उसके बाद जब मुसीबत आएगा तब वही सारे कर्मों का फल उनको मिलेगा. ओके, मतलब वही सारे वेस्टेज जिन्होंने किया है, जब उनको जरूरत पड़ जाती है तब उनको कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. तो वो क्या करते हैं, पछतावा करते हैं, रिग्रेट करते हैं कि अरे बाप रे, मैंने पिछले टाइम या फिर वो उस दिन क्या किया, बहुत सारे खर्च कर दिया और अभी मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. ओके, so that is what, and last one, that is what you have to do. You have to do any story that you know, any fable that you know, you have to tell to your friends in your language. Okay, so my dear students, here we have completed the question and answer of this poem, The Ant and the Cricket, and we will meet again in the next video with a new lesson.